First point is to plan ahead for sign-offs and critical milestone reviews by having the right people in the room at the same time, earlier than a conventional build. This will maximise the time-saving potential of using bathroom pods as we build at the same time as site rather than after. Further to that, have those critical stakeholders engaged and aware of what needs approving ahead of these meetings. This will ensure a seamless transition through the project.
We've had feedback from builders who have told us in the past that they've experienced a program acceleration of up to 30%. On a recent project in New Zealand with over 600 pods, the builder told us that they had finished the project 90 days ahead of schedule, and that the prime reason for this was the fact that they used modular bathroom. One of the main contributors to this is that design and manufacture of bathroom pods is totally uncoupled from the program of the rest of the building. On projects in the past, we've commenced design of bathrooms with the developer before a builder has even been appointed. On other projects, we've often had a design approved and a prototype inspected before earthworks had even been completed on site. This takes the entire bathroom design and approval component from the middle of the builder's program and allows it to occur concurrently with other tasks at the start of their program. This upfront approval allows us to secure materials and lock in labour much earlier than could be achieved on a traditionally built project.